Hey you guys, I'm Kanisha with the Hair Vixens, and I just wanted to show you how to measure your head for a wig, for a custom wig. And you start with a measuring tape. You can get a measuring tape in the sewing section in any Target or Walmart. You can order them on Amazon. You're going to measure in inches. So the gold tab is the 0, and you place it right where your hairline, where you would want the wig to sit. I have a widow's peak, so I don't put my wig over my widow's peak most of the time. So start the measurement right where your hairline starts. And you're going to take it around the back, and where it stops, I got a big head, y'all, is the measurement. So this one is about a 23.5. I would go with round up. So you're going to write the circumference down as, for me, it's a 23.5. And then you want to go from the edge of your hairline by your temple, where your eyebrow is, to the other side in the same place. And for me, it's a 16. Like I said, my head is big. So you're going to write that part down. And then you want to go from the beginning of your hairline to the back of your nape where your hair ends. I have hair that grows down very long. Just put your finger where the point is, and mine would be a 14.5 or a 14.3. And this is how you accurately measure your head for a custom wig. Your wig maker, if you would like to order a wig from me, you would shop thehairvixens.com. But your wig maker can also take these measurements and have a properly fitting wig. It is very important that your wig fits comforting and snug. The biggest problem that I see is people with larger heads feeling like traditional wigs they buy are too tight and uncomfortable, and it actually can bring your hair out and put too much tension on your temples and can give you a migraine. Or if it's too big, it doesn't fit properly, it bulges up at the top, and you don't want that. So that's how you properly measure your head for a wig. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe if you want to see more hair and wig content, and I'll see you guys next time.